Okay, so you may be researching Secured Credit Card. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, I'm just gonna give a update video to a secured credit card that I have, which is the Citibank Secured Credit Card, and I just wanna talk about what to expect when you're interested in getting this particular card. So that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. But before we get started, I have a quick message. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. We also talk about ways to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I wanted to make a really quick video to talk to you guys about secured credit cards or secured credit card. Now in this video, I'm gonna be talking about my experience with the Citibank Secured Credit Card. I've had this credit card for about 10 months now, and recently I just received a letter from them. I'll put the letter on the screen that talks about the fact that I no longer need a deposit because my card is going to graduate to an unsecured credit card. So I just kind of wanted to make an update video to talk about this particular secured credit card and let you know what to expect from this particular card, which is the Citibank Secured Credit Card. So like I said, I have the card for about 10 months now, and I initially just deposited $200 with this card. And the reason why I got this secured credit card was because I wanted to establish a relationship with Citibank. It has been a while since I had an account with Citibank, and I wanted to kind of reestablish a relationship with them because I was interested in getting other cards that they do offer. Okay, so when I got the Citibank Secured Credit Card, I deposited $200, so they basically held my $200 in an account. Of course, this account does not accrue interest or anything like that. It's just a collateral holding account. And so they hold my 200 bucks, and that's all they did. They did that for about 10 months. Now, to be honest with you, I did not use this secured credit card that much. I think I probably used it over the 10 months, maybe 6 times. And I'm not exaggerating, literally maybe only 6 times. So it's actually kind of weird to me because I've had the Discover It secured credit card for about the same time period, actually about 11 months now, and I have a $2,500 limit on that card, so I deposited $2,500 with Discover card, and I have not been upgraded as yet. So this is interesting to kind of learn the difference between the 2 different credit card companies and the fact that they're looking at 2 different criteria as far as what you need to do in order for them to graduate your card from a secured credit card to an unsecured credit card. So I just kind of wanted to make a video to just let you guys know if you're interested in getting a secured credit card, or even if you're interested in getting the Citibank Secured Credit Card, that me, in my personal experience, it had been 10 months and they graduated my account from the secured credit card to an unsecured credit card. So the letter basically just states that I'm going to get my money back. They're going to be sending my money back, and I can expect to get the unsecured credit card in about 75 days, which is clearly not a short time. But the letter just says, hey, continue to use your credit card until you get the new unsecured credit card, and then you can activate that card. So once again, the purpose of doing this video is, just like I said, to just give you information about the Citibank Secured Card and my experiences with that card. And so, you know, you can probably expect to be graduated with this particular card anywhere between 10 months to a year. And I think that's probably a pretty average rate when it comes to secured credit cards. Now, the Discover card, like I said, I've had that card for 11 months. At the end of next month, it'll be an entire year that I've had that card, and that card I like a lot. I'll put a link right here so you can check out that card and the fact that I've been able to get back quite a bit of cash back. So like I said, once again, I just want to make a quick update video to let you know what to expect if you're interested in getting secured credit cards. All right, just real quickly here, I wanted to show you guys my Fico Credit Score that I get for free with the Citibank Secured Credit Card. So I have my cell phone here. I'll go ahead and start a screen recording. Give me 1 second here. I should have already started the screen recording, but I'm starting a screen recording right now, and I'm gonna have this on the screen, so I'll show you guys that. So I'm gonna log into my Citibank account. All right, as you can see here, I'm touching Citibank. Then it's gonna ask for my fingerprint, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna log into this account, and I just wanna show you, like I said, I'm gonna sign on. I just wanna show you, like I said, that Citibank does give you a free Fico credit score, not just a regular credit score, like a Fico credit score. So this is pretty legitimate. This is what most of the banks use in order to determine if they want to give you a credit card or a loan or anything like that when it comes to getting money from a bank. So I'm logged into my account and I'll click on services at the bottom of the screen, and then I'll click on credit management, and I'll have my phone on the screen as well. And so I'll click on Fico Score. So I click on Fico Score, and as you can see here, it has it on the screen that it's 830. And that's what the current score is based on a scale from 250 to 900. Then they also have key factors, things that are affecting your Fico score. So it kind of gives you feedback as to what is the reason for your Fico score being what it is currently. Let me just click on the 6 months history here just to kind of show you guys. So as you can see on the screen, back in February, my Fico score was 690, and it continued to go up and up and up and up over the months. So I didn't really do anything in particular. I made sure that I paid my bill off in full every single month because that's what I do. That's what I practice with all of my credit cards, and I would advise you to do the same thing as well, because there really isn't a benefit to having a balance on your credit card other than paying interest and giving the credit card company some more money. So anyway, I just want to show you guys that. Once again, the Fico score that you get with the Citibank Secured Credit Card. So if you're interested in this card, definitely go for it. I think it's a decent card. And like I said, they upgraded me to the unsecured credit card in 10 months. So thanks for watching this portion of the video, and I'll see you in just 1 second. Secured credit cards are a good way to go if you're trying to reestablish credit, if you're trying to build your credit. So if you don't know a lot about secured credit cards, I've done a lot of videos in regards to secured credit cards. So you can subscribe to the channel or go to the channel and just kind of have a look around. I think I have a playlist that is entitled Secured Credit Cards. Actually, I do have a playlist entitled Secured Credit Cards. So you can watch that playlist because I've done a lot of videos on a lot of different secured credit cards. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so as well. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel, because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. We also talk about ways to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.